students, welcome to Life Sciences with Jyotishri. In this module we will be discussing about vitamin A. It is a fat soluble vitamin which is present only in foods of animal origin. However, its provitamins, carotenes are found in plants. The term vitamin A is collectively used to represent many structurally related biological active compounds. The term retinoids is often used to include the natural and scientific forms of vitamin A. Retinol, a vitamin A alcohol, is primarily an alcohol containing beta ionic group and with a 2 isoprenoid units and 4 double bonds and 1 hydroxyl group. Vitamin A is not destroyed by heat. Due to the presence of double bonds, it is susceptible to oxidation. Retinol, vitamin A aldehyde. This is an aldehyde form obtained by the oxidation of retinol. Retinal and retinol are interconvertible. Next, retinoic acid, vitamin A. This is produced by the oxidation of retinol. And beta carotene, provitamin A. This is found in plant foods and it is cleaved in the intestine to produce 2 moles of retinol. In humans, this conversion is inefficient, hence beta carotene possesses about 1/6 vitamin A activity compared to that of retinol. Next, dietary sources. Animal sources contain vitamin A and the best sources are liver, kidney, egg yolk, milk, cheese, butter. Fish liver oils are very rich in vitamin A and as well as vegetable sources contain provitamin A carotenes. Yellow and dark green color vegetables or fruits are good sources of carotenes like carrots, spinach, pumpkins, mango, papaya and etc. Coming to the biochemical functions of vitamin A, retinol and retinoic acid functions are almost like steroid hormones. They regulate the protein synthesis and thus are involved in cell growth and differentiation. Vitamin A is considered as to be essential for the maintenance of proper immune system to fight against various infections. Cholesterol synthesis requires vitamin A and retinol and retinoic acid are also involved in the synthesis of transferrin, which is an iron transport protein. Vitamin A is essential to maintain healthy epithelial tissue, and this is due to the fact that retinol and retinoic acid are required to prevent keratin synthesis. Further, retinol phosphate is essential for the formation of mucopolysaccharides, which are the compounds of mucus secreted by epithelial cells to maintain moist surface. It is also used in embryonic development and reproduction, as well as it is having antioxidant activity. Vitamin A deficiency symptoms are not immediate since the hepatic stores can meet the body requirements for quite some time of around 2 to 4 months. The deficiency manifestations are mostly related to eyes, skin and growth. Night blindness is one of the earliest symptoms of vitamin A deficiency. Individuals have difficulty to see in dim light and since the dark adaptation time is increased. Prolonged deficiency irreversibly damages a number of visual cells. Vitamin A deficiency leads to xerophthalmia, which is characterized as dryness in conjunctiva and cornea and keratinization of epithelial cells. That is nothing but dry eye. If xerophthalmia persists for a long time, corneal ulceration and degeneration may occur, which results in the destruction of cornea. And Other deficiency manifestations include retardation in skeletal formation, and the reproductive system is adversely affected in and degeneration of germinal epithelium leads to sterility in males, and the skin becomes dry and rough. Vitamin A deficiency is associated with formation of urinary stones. The plasma level of retinol binding protein is decreased in vitamin A deficiency.